Today we're making okonomiyaki. I had this last time when I went to Osaka. If you see my vlog, they usually make it in a hot plate right in front of you, and it's a casual spot for hanging out with friends or just enjoying this savory pancake. Obviously I don't have a big hot plate at home, so I'm making a homemade version. The dashi flavor is pretty subtle since there's sauces and meat on top, so instant dashi powder works well for home cooking. I love this. Honestly, I was a bit afraid that I didn't add enough flour mixture, but as a homemade version, I prefer the batter to be thinner and more focused on the cabbage instead. So this is great. I think this okonomi basically means throwing everything together, I think. So you can definitely add more flour and dashi if you want a thicker batter. But for homemade, I love that this is more focused on the cabbage. And I thought I cooked the pork belly for too long, but then, well, it's covered by all the sauce. You can't tell anyway. It actually gives it a crispy texture. I think I can slice the cabbage even thinner or even shred it. I was just lazy to clean another shredder. You're supposed to sprinkle seaweed powder, but I couldn't find them in any shop, maybe because I'm in Australia. So far, I love this. If you want thicker pancake, you can adjust the texture of the pancake by how much flour you want to use or water. I think it seems pretty easy to adjust. Like you don't need a set measurement. And I think it's pretty hard to get wrong because each component tastes great. You can definitely make this again. So simple, and you eat so much veggies because the whole plate is cabbage except for the pork belly on top. I searched this online as well, and they make it very thick and cakey, where I prefer a lighter batter with more cabbage. So it's up to you. You can definitely adjust how much cabbage and flour mixture you use. Here's your bite.